Hi, I'm in Costa Rica. I've been in Costa Rica for about a month now. I'm here studying abroad, so I'm learning about conservation biology for my minor. I thought that the best way to document and share this trip would be through video, so here's the first one, and today we're going to talk about Pitilla. Pitilla kicked off our trip, and it truly felt like we were smack in the middle of the forest. I mean, we were. It was super cool because whether you were going to the trails behind the station, you went on a late night walk to the pond to go herping, or you even just walked to the cell tower. By the way, we had no Wi-Fi or hot water, which was not bad. It really wasn't that bad. But you would see something cool, like wherever you went. A part of being in the forest also meant facing some things that scared me, one of which was sleeping outside in the jungle. Yes. We each had a mattress set up outside with a mosquito net hanging over it. If I was having a hard time, I would just open my eyes and all these little fireflies were like flying above the mosquito net. When you would wake up, you would just hear the birds chirping and you would see the trees. Totally fell in love with it. You can imagine that we might have a mosquito net and talk to researchers studying butterflies at a place where there were a ton of bugs, a lot of bugs. There were a lot of bugs. By the end, I found myself really appreciating them and actually finding some cute and wanting to handle them and pick them up myself, which was a big growth moment for me. Kind of wrapped my brain around the fact that I was getting to see monkeys and tree frogs because there were these bugs giving them food and fueling the ecosystem. Pitilla was the first stop on our trip, and I was with 14 people I had never met before, but it was really easy to bond and open up to everyone because one, we didn't have Wi-Fi, so we couldn't really be on our phones. We also had our first group projects. My group decided to study the relationship between Cecropia trees and the Azteca ants that live in them. And we had inconclusive data, but we had a great time. Also, I have to mention that every member of the staff was amazing. We were so well fed, so well taken care of. In addition to making sure that we always had good food and coffee, our professors also did teach us a lot. We spent a lot of time out on the trails learning about the things that were in front of us, but we also got to use the outdoor classroom at Pitilla, especially when we were talking to researchers or the parataxonomists working there. One of my favorite days was when we played 21 questions. We got an hour and a half to go anywhere we wanted and write down all of the questions that we came up with. It really unlocked some curiosity and it helped us all get to know each other a little better. At the end of their trip to Pitilla, we did a hike that was about 5 miles out of there, and at the end, the staff were all waiting for us with ice cream. Ice cream is a huge theme in this trip, and I cannot wait to share with you the amount of ice cream that I have consumed here. I guess this is the kickoff video. That was a little bit about my trip to Pitilla. I definitely will be talking to you all about parataxonomy and how that all works and what that means more when I talk about Santa Rosa in my next little clip. Thank you for tuning in, for caring about this. Okay, I'll see you next time in Santa Rosa.